Want a fresh look for your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you how to change your default launcher in just a few simple steps and customize your home screen experience. First, open the Google Play Store and download a launcher you like. Some popular choices include Nova Launcher, Microsoft Launcher, Niagara Launcher, and Launchair Launcher. Once the installation is complete, you don't need to uninstall your current launcher because Android lets you switch between them at any time. Next, swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the settings icon. Scroll down and select apps. Depending on your Android version or phone manufacturer, this menu may look slightly different, but the steps are generally the same. Inside the Apps menu, tap Choose Default Apps or Default Apps. Then select Home App. You'll see a list of all the launchers installed on your device, including your phone's original launcher and any new ones you've downloaded. Simply tap the launcher you want to use as your default. Your home screen will immediately switch to the new launcher. The first time you open it, you may be asked to grant permissions or complete a short setup process, such as choosing an icon style, layout, or theme. If you ever want to switch back, just repeat these steps and select your previous launcher. You can change launchers as often as you like without losing your apps or personal data. That's it, your new launcher is ready. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and check out more Android tips and tutorials.